Founded in 1928 as China's first comprehensive art academy, the China Academy of Art has achieved significant success both domestically and internationally, evolving into a leading institution in the art world. CAA plays a crucial role in revitalizing Chinese art and engaging with the global community, contributing to the development of modern and contemporary art in China. Since 2019, CAA has embraced advanced additive manufacturing by UnionTech's Lite800 and large-format RSPro1400 SLA 3D printers. This technology has effectively overcome the limitations of traditional crafting, enabling a smooth transition to digital transformation in artistic creation. The RSPro1400 reduces production costs and allows for precise replication of complex structures using digital data, turning students' creative ideas into accurate, tangible works of art. Its 1.4-meter large format and multi-galvanometer technology are ideal for creating large-scale pieces in a single print, enhancing both production speed and the detail of the final artwork.